Good morning, my dear students. Now I will discuss class 4 maths from chapter 13, data handling, from page number 100, 211. Number of muffins here sold by the baker, and here is days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. This one symbol that means 10 muffins. So few questions are here. On which day did the baker sell the maximum number of muffins? Look at the data very carefully. This one is called the pictograph. Observe the pictograph very carefully. In which day the maximum, these are the sold the muffins by the baker. So Sunday, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 sign are there or symbol are there. One symbol that means 10 muffins. So it will be goes as 10 multiplied with 7, because 7 muffins are there, 7 symbols are there. So 7 multiplied with 10, it will be 70. That means 70 muffins sold in this day or sold in Sunday. How many muffins were sold on that day? So we should write here 70 muffins were sold on that day or on Sunday. In which day did the baker sell the maximum number of muffins? Which day? This pictograph is too long, so this one will be goes as the maximum number of muffins. In which day? On which 2 days was the sale of muffins the same? Look at the picture where is the same muffins or symbol. Wednesday and Thursday, the same symbols are there. That means these 2 days where the same muffins sold. Like this you should do it. That means you should observe or look at the pictograph very carefully, then you will solve these questions. Here also another pictograph. Car showroom show the sale of its cars in the year using the pictograph. Read and pictograph carefully, answer the questions and follow. That means this symbol, one car, that means one symbol, that means 200 cars. So we should multiply with this number 200. Suppose February, how many car sell? 500. 1 2 3 4 5. That means 5 multiply with 200, because one symbol, that means 200. If 5 symbols are there, that means 5 multiply with 200. Okay, like this. Number B. What was the sale the first 3 months? That means January, February and March. January 4. So here is 4 multiply with 200. And February, here also 5 symbols, so 5 multiply with 200. And here March sale in March, 1 2 3 4 5. That means again 5 multiply with 200, it will be 1000. So after addition it will be get the how many total number of cars will be sold, okay, in these 3 months. So these are will be goes as your homework. You should do it at your home and submit it through our WhatsApp group. Thank you, my dear students. Thank you for watching.